Hey kitchen besties, I am going to talk to you today about our deluxe cooking blender, and we are going to actually make some Java Chip Frappes. This is a new product that just came out this spring summer in our spring summer line, and it is so good. So we're gonna get started with that, and then I'll talk a little bit about the blender. I also have some cold foam going in our milk frother that I'll talk about when we're done too. So for this recipe, we're gonna add a half a cup of milk, which I was a little heavy-handed. It's a little bit more than half a cup. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of our Java Frappe mix. I'm gonna do heaping because I like heaping, and I added some extra milk. And the milk I'm using is actually Fairlife fat-free milk. You can use any milk that you want to. And then it calls for 1/4 cup of ice. I have some big ice chunks, and I'm gonna do 4 of those. I like it a bit on the thicker side, and I like it kind of icy, so that's what we're gonna do. Now this is gonna be kind of loud when I turn it on. We're gonna use the smoothie setting at first, and we're gonna blend it up. All right. So I let it go for about 20 seconds. I'm just gonna pulse it and break up the rest of that ice. All right, sounds like it's pretty broken up. So I'm gonna take the lid off, and I'm gonna pour this out into a cup so you can see how thick it is. I wish I had a see-through cup, but that is amazing. And now in the milk frother, I just did, with the same milk, the Fairlife milk, some cold foam that I can throw on top of it. So, oh look, I made a little swirly. That is so good. So a little bit more about our deluxe cooking blender. It has a heated wash, which I just absolutely think is the best part. This thing will clean itself. So I'll go over to the sink, throw 3 cups of warm water in it. Doesn't have to be warm, it can be cold, and a drop of dishwashing liquid. Throw it back on here, turn it to the heated wash, and that'll be it for cleanup. You can also make peanut butter in here, or alternate butters like almond butter, cashew butter. And then you can make soups, heated purees, jams, and then sauces. So I love to make Alfredo sauce in this. It's so easy. I throw all the ingredients in. There is some different stages, like first you do the milk, then you add the roux, and then the last step is you add the Parmesan cheese. But it saves me from having to stand over the stove and stir and stir and stir. So if you've ever made homemade Alfredo sauce, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And Alfredo sauce done in the blender or any homemade way is so much better than the store-bought jar. I never liked Alfredo sauce until I made it homemade, and then I was hooked. I've also done strawberry jam in here, grape jelly, grape jam, and I love the nacho cheese sauce done in the cooking blender as well. So what would you make in this cooking blender? And did you know that you can get this for 50 to 60% off depending on what the specials are when you party with me in a certain month? So if you want this in your kitchen for 50% off, message me and we will make that happen. So have a good night, everyone.